Today I'm here with Robert Nance. Thank you for being on the show. He's the CEO of, is it Malu Investment Group? Did I pronounce that right?
That's the private equity firm, but Small Biz Acquisitions is the little acquisition firm that we're
Okay.
partnering with people right now.
Small Biz Acquisitions Group. Okay, cool. So let's just kind of start off in your origin story. How did you get into investment and leading up to the skill set you have now and what you're up to? Kind of how did you get started?
Interesting. So many years ago, I used to build companies, a couple of restaurants, a little manufacturing company, and this was back in the 90s. So 93, 94. Built a little manufacturing company and sold it for some real estate in Dallas, Texas, and some cash and two free and clear pieces of real estate. Quickly realized that the actual value of the real estate was greater than the perceptual value. And as you know, you buy on perceptual value, and you can get loans on actual value. And the reason is the area was an area in transition. And so over the next year and a half, 2 years, about 2.5 years, I bought 125 pieces of property. And this led up to 1999 when I bought my 125th piece that included, it was a 20,000 square foot building downtown Dallas, but it included a Mexican meat distributor doing $6 million a year in sales. I said, what the hell you can do with a Mexican meat distributor? I said, I don't know. I have no idea. But it was free because the building, in effect, it was free because the building was paid $1.2 million, I think, for the building. And that was the building and the business. And the building was worth a little bit over 1.2 for us. So we got in, and I had about 100 people, but between 80 and 100 people working. I had mainly in the real estate division. Some pretty smart people helped me decide what we were going to do with the business, and just made a lot of money in the business, just turning it around, just learning what to do with it. And since 1999, I think we're at 23 businesses now.